And I'm also excited to share my love for like my favorite plant, Staghorn Fern. The scientific name is Platycerium bifurcatum. They're epiphytes. They don't grow naturally in soil. They grow on trees and other objects for support. Get the moss nice and wet and place it on the board. Just make sure the root system fully touches the moss. Instead of using nails or screws, I use these little brass hooks that I find easier to tie either a fishing line or wire with. I'm basically gonna do like zigzags through all the hooks. Keep wrapping around. All right, and that is pretty much it. We're done.